Well, hello there. Once again, we're back here at the corner of Drake and Weston. Do another great edition or whatever video you want to call this of my classroom. What we're doing today. So let's go ahead and go to weekly agenda. See what we're doing today. We can go ahead and scroll down to Tuesday. We got Bellwork must have. So let's look at the Bellworks. Make sure we understand the words. All right. So Bellworks government. What's must have? What must you have to be a government? We kind of talked about it in our notes. All right. Constitution. Think of the first 10 rights we have. What do we call that? Things that we must have to be part of a constitution. What do constitutions guarantee themselves to people? Monarch, not the butterfly, king or queen. So what must you be to be king or queen? And then oligarchy is type of government, so it kind of goes back with what you just put down for government. All right, so that's kind of how you do the must-haves. Let's go to what we're doing. We have a test on Thursday, so make sure you're studying. So let's go ahead and look at standard of living, which is part of what you need to study for the test. In the test, there's a couple questions about how do you judge standard of living. So let's make sure we understand it. This little worksheet here, let me zoom in a little bit. Do that. Kind of, there it goes. Okay, maybe too much. There we go. All right, so you're gonna go to this website right here, which I already have for you. And then you're going to find the GDP per capita of each of these countries. Once you get the chart, you're going to answer these questions, these 8 of them, based off of the table in this map here. All right, so do the chart, do this table first, then you have the answers to help you out with these ones. All right, to find these ones, click on that website. Remember, you have to control or click, or just right click and go to open Hyperlink, which I have done. You see it's right here. Below, you see alphabetical order, what the countries we're looking for. The first one is Kuwait. So we go here, find the K. All right, we're looking for Kuwait. Oop, there it is. All right. Now we are trying to find the money. GDP is money. So we look over here. Ooh, economy. Economy means money, so I wonder if it's going to be in there. The answer is yes, it is. So you scroll down until you find the GDP per capita right there. So real GDP per capita, most current year is right here. All right. So now we come over. Boom, there you go. Okay, I like money signs, just me. All right, so now that's what you do. Now you can't do this half screen, so don't want to do that. Don't want to do half screen, as you see here. You see, kind of gives me the weird little thing there. That's fine, whatever. All I need to do is scroll all the way back up. Okay, and I can go explore all countries again. And now I'm back here. I want to do filter right there. So the next one is Australia. Do the A. Now I'm looking for Australia. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, gotta go to the next one. Oop, there it is, Australia. Now I need to scroll down until I get past here. Once I get to the contents introductions, I can click on this little arrow, find economy. Just keep scrolling until you find the real world GDP. Oh, it's pretty much the same. So once again, I like my money sign, 49,000. There you go. Okay, so you can see how you're just going to go through it. So once again, then once you're done, scroll all the way back up. It just takes a while. That's the only problem with this one. All the way back up. Okay, and now we're trying to find a different country. So explore all countries again. Go to all. Next one, South Korea. You want to do this under K's. For whatever reason, K's in South Korea, and then just continue on with that one. Once you get that, and you're going to scroll down. In a complete sentence, yes, this needs to be in a complete sentence. Explain the relationship between GDP per capita and standard of living. We've been talking about standard of living, so you're looking at these. Okay, so what does this number have to do with standard of living? You look on here, even the blue. So look at the blue countries. If we live in America, which we do, we consider our standard of living to be very good. Why is that compared to somewhere like, let's say, in Africa here? So what does this kind of blue or this kind of money mean? What's the relationship between this and having a good standard of living? So why would this, if this is high, would this mean a good or bad standard of living? If it's low, what does that mean? So in a sentence form, please explain that one. Using the chart above, so that's a table. Using the chart above, that's a table. Okay, you're going back at standard of living. Give me countries with high standard of living, give me countries with low based off of what you just said in your first question. This one's a little bit abstract. Pretend you're part of Sudan. So look at Sudan, see what you're looking there. Now in the actual website it says South Sudan. You don't want that, you want actual Sudan. So keep that in mind. So you're in there based off of the GDP per capita, how would you describe their standard of living? Use the map, obviously, use the map up there. All right, use the map, same thing. Use the chart. Now I'm looking for developed and developing countries. All right, there are two different ones. What's a developed country? What's a developing? We did this in our notes last week. So you're looking at the chart right here. You're looking at these numbers here. Which countries would you expect to be developed? All right, and which ones do you expect to be developing, as in not quite there as a developed nation? All right, if you have any questions, you can always hit me up on email, Teams me up, ask me questions, whatnot. I told the kids I expected to get it done today, so most of them did get most of it done. Some actually turned it in today. So the goal is to try to get this done today. If you have any questions about what you need to do, just let me know. Other than that, have a good one.